To fix the Asus router blinking green light issue, first understand what the blinking green light indicates. The blinking green light on an Asus router typically signifies that the device is trying to establish a connection or is experiencing difficulties during the boot up process. Start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is securely connected to both the router and the power outlet. Next, verify that the router is receiving power by checking if any other lights are on. If not, try plugging the router into a different power outlet to rule out any issues with the electrical supply. If the power is not the issue, restart the router by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and stop the blinking green light. If the problem persists, check the internet connection by connecting your computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If you have internet access, the issue lies with the router. Otherwise, the problem may be with your internet service provider. Another possible cause of the blinking green light is outdated firmware. Log in to the router's web interface by typing its IP address in a web browser. Usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, and enter the admin username and password. Navigate to the firmware update section and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware to the latest version. Additionally, check for any physical obstructions or interference from other devices that may be causing the issue. Move the router to a central location, away from walls and other devices, to improve its signal strength and stability. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be worth resetting the router to its factory settings. This will erase all customized settings, so ensure you have a record of your current settings before proceeding. To reset the router, press and hold the reset button, usually located at the back or bottom of the device, for 10 to 15 seconds. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing the Asus router blinking green light. Remember to always consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer's support if you are unsure about any of the steps or if the issue persists after trying these troubleshooting methods.